Hello, today I want to show you real quick an unboxing what you get in the Galaxy Tab S9 5G tablet from Samsung. It comes in a box like this, and if we open it up, put it to the side, we would have the tablet here. Inside you'd have the S Pen. You'd have this little box which contains cable, quite a nice cable as far as cables are concerned, and in the second part you have paperwork, and a little needle thing, whatever you call it, to open the slot where you put an SD card if you want to extend your memory. Now this is a 256 giga tablet. There it is. That is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 5G. You've got the camera at the back and the flash. The pen clips on in there, and it also charges it. You have one selfie camera up there where you can use for Zoom calls or whatever, and one on that side. You have your power button and volume bars here. Here you have the little door where you can insert a memory card or a SIM card if you want to use it as a sort of a phone thing. Speakers, USB-C charging port. On the back here you have 3 pins, you can see. With this ones you would connect them to the Samsung book cover keyboard, I think it's called. Basically it's a cover, you open it up, and it's a keyboard as well. You can turn it into a laptop and it clips in there. I have recently gotten this tablet to use it for photo and video editing, and I can say, even if it's not the newest tablet out there on the market, I don't think you can beat it in terms of portability and performance. The amount of stuff they've crammed into this little tablet, and it's still so small, so portable. You're not gonna find a tablet which is so light, so good for traveling, and which still packs such a punch when it comes to performance. And the screen is absolutely fantastic. As I said, I use it for photo editing and video editing, and it is an absolutely amazing screen. It is the best of both worlds: portability, size, weight, and performance. It is gorgeous. I really love it. I really love my Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. And no, that's not my car, but maybe it will be one day. Power off. Thank you for watching.